Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add shape in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have prepared a background color image. You can download it from the internet. Like this guys, I have just downloaded red background color, and I'm going to use this image to create shape in CapCut Mobile. You just need to select or download the color that you want to apply to your shape. Okay, now it's time to open up the CapCut application, and then we're going to create new project. We can click on new project here, and then you can add a video to your project. You can add video or photo. For example, I'm going to add a video from my download album or download folder. I'm going to add this video. Okay, just click on add. Alright, and now it's time to add shape to this video. If we want to add shape, we can select overlay and then add overlay. And then I'm going to add the background color we have just downloaded. Okay, this one. I'm going to create shape with this color. I'm going to add it to my project, and then I'm going to extend the duration according to my video duration. Okay, and we're going to turn this image into a shape using the mask. So we need to scroll all the way to the right until we find the mask option. Keep scrolling until you find this mask, and you can select the shape of the mask. For example, I'm going to create circle shape, so I'm going to choose circle. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the circle shape has been added to my video. If you want to add another shape, just select the shape like this and it will change. Okay, all right, I'm going to place it here, and then I'm going to add one more image. Okay, I'm going to turn this image into a heart shape. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna click on the mask again, and then I'm going to choose the heart shape. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add shape in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!